Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can deal damage from inside vehicles without having to worry about finding other players or worrying about the other players being sweats or killing you right off the bat. So first you want to make sure you go to a secluded area. In this vid I went to the Sweaty Sands and there wasn't very many people. So I found some heals, found some guns, got a little bit of ammo, made sure I was safe and started looking for a vehicle. So I was able to find a Whiplash, luckily. Pretty fun car, really fast, so it really helps out. So I made sure I had plenty of gas because I wanted to be able to go across the map without having to worry about the car breaking down or anything. So I filled it up. Takes a little bit to fill up sometimes because they spawn really low. I don't know why. So next I waited for martyrs to spawn. You can see martyrs spawning right there in the middle of the screen, flying down towards the map. Now you want to head towards the martyrs, and this is what the looks like when they touch down. You see those capsules, and sometimes you gotta look for them. You look for them, they like to wander away. You can see my damage, only about 1700 damage towards enemies from inside a vehicle. Now all you have to do is just switch to a passenger seat, shoot at martyrs, deal damage, deal as much damage as you can, and that's about it. Real simple, easy tip, but just don't get too close because then sometimes this will happen and things go bad for you. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the vid. Leave a like or a sub. Thanks.